Splash Financial features, strengths, weaknesses. Splash Financial primarily focuses on student loan refinancing and private student loans. Key features include rate check tools that don't impact your credit score, a streamlined online application process, and multiple loan term options generally ranging from 5 to 20 years. They cater mainly to recent graduates and professionals seeking to consolidate or lower interest rates on their student loan debt. Eligibility criteria often include a minimum loan balance, a degree from an eligible institution, and a stable income. The biggest strength lies in their competitive interest rates, often lower than federal loan rates or those offered by traditional banks. Their ability to compare rates from multiple lenders within their network further enhances this advantage. A significant pro is the potential for substantial savings over the life of the loan, especially for those with high-interest debt. Additionally, some borrowers appreciate the option for cosigner release after a period of on-time payments. However, there are weaknesses. The platform doesn't service all types of student loans. For example, Parent Plus loans may not be refinanced as easily as other federal loan types. Another con is the income requirement, which can be a barrier for recent graduates or those with lower-paying jobs. Customer service reviews are mixed, with some users reporting difficulty getting prompt and helpful assistance. Furthermore, remember that refinancing federal student loans into a private loan forfeits federal protections, like income-driven repayment plans and potential loan forgiveness programs. Before choosing Splash Financial, consider the long-term implications of losing these federal benefits. Also, directly compare Splash Financial's rates and terms against other refinancing options, including those offered by credit unions and online lenders outside their network, to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Finally, carefully assess your financial situation and future career prospects to determine if refinancing is truly the right move for you. While Splash Financial can offer significant savings, a thorough understanding of its limitations and a comprehensive comparison with other options are crucial for making an informed decision.